guys, what's up? I'm an essential oil specialist here at National Nutrition, and we're here to give you the down low on essential oils with Aromapathic Labs. So today we're going to be talking about citronella oil. Did you know that citronella oil is a bug's worst nightmare? Most people are very familiar with citronella oil. All you have to do is walk through your local store in the summertime and you've probably smelled it. Citronella is used in things like torches, candles, basically everything to keep you enjoying the outside in the summertime. But unfortunately, those products usually use a chemical citronella. It's not 100% pure, so it's not the best thing for us. If you use an essential oil, however, it hopefully is 100% pure and it is much better to be using. So citronella oil, it is actually a grass plant. It grows blades of grass, of course, and that is how the oil is extracted. So Aromapathic Labs takes those blades, they crush them up, and they use a steam distillation process. That ensures that the oil is 100% pure for you and me to enjoy. Now, it can also be solvent extracted depending on the brand. You want to watch out for that because that leaves impurities left behind in the oil and it's not the most pure thing out there. So when you're looking for essential oils, steam distilled or cold press is the way to go. Aromapathic Labs sources their citronella plants from Indonesia. So that is what the oil is extracted from, Indonesian citronella grass. So it's really nice. That's where one of the native countries that it's from. Citronella is very nice to use because it can be stimulating. It's great for a topical application on the skin, and of course it is great to diffuse. Aromapathic Labs has a 10 ml roll-on of citronella oil. It's already pre-diluted and pre-mixed, so it's great to just apply when you need it, whether it's on the wrists, behind the ears, on the ankles. It's going to keep the bugs away from you. So it's awesome because you will love it, but the bugs will hate it. Citronella oil can also be applied topically to the muscles if you have muscle spasms. It has great anti-inflammatory properties to it, so it can also be added to the skin, and it has stimulating properties. So if you suffer from indigestion, you can rub it on the abdomen in a clockwise motion, and it's going to help keep things stimulated. All of those properties of citronella can be thanked to its main active ingredient, camphor. So camphor is really great at relieving inflammation, itchiness. It's a stimulant. It has antifungal properties to it as well. So that's what really keeps all of these applications in citronella oil, is its main active ingredient. Citronella oil has a very unique scent profile. It's invigorating, it's uplifting, it's light, it's fresh, and it's a little bit lemony. But you can smell that camphoriness to it because it has a very distinct scent and note to it, which is its camphor scent coming through. Citronella oil blends very well with other citrus oils such as bergamot, lemon, and orange. So you can use them mixed together as a topical to get a little bit nicer smell with the other citrus oils, but also repel the bugs with citronella oil. It's also really great to use in home cleaning products. And it also blends with cedarwood oil, lavender, and pine, so it gives you a nice, fresh, foresty, natural scent when you diffuse it together. Lavender oil also helps to repel bugs, so you can mix citronella oil with lavender, diffuse them together, and they will keep the bugs away. So there you have it, the Skinny on Citronella oil. It's a great summer oil to be using. We hope that you enjoy it all summer long, and if you like these reviews, make sure to catch the next one.